Hey guys, it's Master Tech Bob here. Just want to stop by real quick, show you a quick little video. I know Meeper's been showing some cool tools out there lately. I kind of wanted to get on that train and show you something in real world use. So today I'm working on this inline 6 Isuzu, putting a turbo back on it, and I'm having a real hard time getting the downpipe to line up with the turbo, with the gasket. It's like, it's a crazy thick, like multi-layer steel gasket. Trying to get all that to line up, hold it in place, and get the bolt started. So what I want to show you here is this E-Z Chamfer Tool. Part number is 3838. So I originally paid $54.95 for it. Like I said, I keep all my packages that it comes in. But let me show you this tool and how it's made my life a heck of a lot easier. So this tool is just, it's like got machine teeth up in there that'll grind down on a bolt. So if you got a bolt much like this one here, where it's a very flush cut and it's difficult to get through all those pieces, you basically just chuck this up in a drill, you run this on the head of it, and then your bolt will look like this. So it just kind of chamfers the bottom couple threads there to allow it to help get started into those holes better. You don't need to tap it or anything like that afterwards because it's putting a perfect taper on it. So I'll show you here on the truck kind of what I'm running into, and then I'll show you the difference of having it chamfered down. In here, we're working on getting this turbo mounted in place, getting this up pipe or down pipe mounted to it, and trying to get this bolt to go in. I just cannot get it to get all the way through this big gasket material here, get it lined up and get everything started. I've tried spinning it, I've tried using an electric ratchet to speed it up, and it will not catch to go in. So I simply took it out, chamfered it down, just like this one here. If we can get that to, I don't know if we can get this to focus in here or not. Let's see. Lighting. There we go. You can get a good view of that now. All right, so now that we got it chamfered, that bolt slides right in. You can feel it push right past the gasket, and boom, it's caught a thread. So now we can take our ratchet, set it up on there, and just like that, right in. So that's my cool tool for the day. Hope you guys found something useful. I just wanted to show you here, this is with the tool in action. Just got my Milwaukee drill here. We're just going to chuck this piece up into it. And so regular bolt, not chamfered down. All right, we just set that up in there. Just hold on to the bolt and spin it around a few times. So you see the metal flying off of it there. Boom, you're done. Just like that, your bolt's ready to go back in. Well, thanks again, guys, for tuning in. Like I said, that tool, part number, E-Z Chamfer Tool is 3838. Comes in super handy when you're trying to get through multi-pieces to get it to line up, and you need just that little bit to help get that bolt started. So make sure you guys like and subscribe this video. We're trying to get to 500 followers. Once we reach that point, I'm hoping to do some live so you can see some of the stuff that we do day to day. So be sure to like and share. Thanks.